to DIY with Aurea.
If you love budget-friendly home decor without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as I transform thrifty finds, Dollar Tree items, and pieces I already have into stunning home decor that you will love. For this first project, I'm repurposing this picture frame that I created a while back as a Kirkland's-inspired dupe. It was really beautiful back then, but today we're giving it a new fresh look and making it look even better. Sometimes we have decor pieces lying around and we are not sure what to do with them. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to give this picture frame a fresh new look, transform it into a stunning wall decor, all on a budget. I lightly sanded this for a smooth surface, then I'm applying 2 coats of white chalk paint to the border. Once I'm done with the picture frame, I'll put it to the side, and then I'm going to continue with this piece of what was called a gift bag at one time, but I only have this front piece because the other piece I used it in a different wall decor for my daughter. But today I'm gonna go ahead and create something similar for myself, and this is the beautiful picture that we are left with. So I came in with a lot of Mod Podge. I am going to evenly distribute it throughout the frame, and then I am just simply placing in this picture right here in the center. Dollar Tree has so many Christmas bags. If you don't find this, you can just pick whatever you decide that is best for your home decor. If it's not Christmas, you can always get any gift bag and you could just go ahead and make it your own. Now for this here, I am taking 4 bamboo sticks. I'm going to be painting them with black chalk paint, and I'm going to be doing that to all 4 of them. Once they are completely dry, then I come back in and I cut them to the size that I need, and with some hot glue I am going to be gluing them on all 4 corners of this beautiful picture frame. Now if you don't like the black chalk paint, you could also customize it the color that you desire. You can make it green to match the decor, red, whatever color suits you. Now that everything is put together, you have the cutest holiday frame that you can place in any corner of your home to add that festive touch. I love comparing prices between Dollar Tree and Dollar General because there are times when I can find beautiful serving trays for only $1. I'm going to be giving this one good sand first because I am going to be painting this with white chalk paint, and I want to make sure that this paint is going to adhere nicely to the surface for a smooth and beautiful finish. Today's video is part of an open collaboration called Paper to Project. We are celebrating Christmas in July. For this collaboration, we are challenged to create any project we want as long as we incorporate paper into our design. This collaboration is being hosted by At Home with Gigi, and I will be leaving the link directly to her channel down in my description box. She is such a wonderful creator, and I know you will enjoy visiting her channel. There's also a playlist link below with all the amazing creators participating in this collaboration. Make sure to check them out, show everyone some love by giving them a big thumbs up, and let them know that I sent you. And now continuing with this project, I have this beautiful wallpaper that I am going to be incorporating. I'm going to cut it to the size of that serving tray. I'm going to be peeling the back section, and then I am going to be placing it right here in the center. Dollar Tree has so many peel and stick wall designs, and they're always bringing in new pattern. If this one isn't your style, don't worry because there are plenty of beautiful options to choose from. Just make sure to find the one that fits your home decor and make it your own. Using this gold acrylic paint along with my dabbing brush, I'm going to go ahead and paint the entire border of the tray. This simple step gives it that beautiful, elegant finish and adds that high-end classy look. I also love shopping at Temu for craft supplies. I picked up these 2 paint markers, one of them in gold and one of them in silver. For this project, I'm going to be using my gold marker to outline where the wallpaper meets the edge of the tray. This is a simple detail, but it gives the tray a clean polish and classy finish. After finishing the outline, I found myself with this beautiful ornament. This says Noel and it's from the Dollar Tree. I wind up taking all the greenery out, and then just to match my decor, I took some black chalk paint. I'm painting the entire inside, and once I'm done with the inside, the outside didn't quite match the tray, so I went back with the same gold acrylic paint and I gave it 1 coat. And that simple touch tied everything together, giving it that cohesive finish look. Now that everything is completely dry, I'm using a little bit of hot glue, attaching it right on top of the wallpaper. And look at how beautiful this is turning out. Nice and simple, yet so elegant. I'm also going to be recycling this beautiful red bowl. This came from a different project that I am no longer using. I'm also going to be using a big acorn and red berries, and this project is completely done. Let me know what you think. To the thrift store and I found these beautiful big frames, and I am sure that these frames must have cost at one point between $15 to $20. These were very well made, they were very heavy, and they are very classy. I'm gonna go ahead, take them home and start making them my own. After bringing these home for $1.50, it made me think that I should look into Goodwills first before I go to the dollar store and purchase them for $1.50, and they're not the same quality. I'm going to begin by opening them. And I purchased this from Temu last year. They look like little postcards, but I'm just going to go ahead and cut them in half, and I'm going to be using 6 of them because I'm going to be inserting them inside these picture frame. And let me tell you that these are so simple to make, yet they look so classy in my wall. Now just keep in mind, when you go and you shop for any picture frame, you always make it your own by spray painting them or using any kind of paint that you already have at home, transforming them into whatever color fits your decor. And I love purchasing these bundles of art because you get so much money for your buck. All I'm doing is adding a little tape and inserting them in that opening, just like you see. And I'll be doing the same thing to all 3 frames. Well, my dear friends, this is a friendly reminder. This video is part of an open collaboration. The links to these talented creators can be found directly in my description box. Please make sure to visit their channels, show them a lot of love, and support their amazing work. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a kind message, let them know that you are there to support them, and don't forget to leave that comment, share. If you can hype their channels, that will help us. Thank you so much for your kind support. And look at how amazing this turned out. I'm going to go ahead and continue with the next one. And my dear friends, after I am done with this one, you know the process. All I did was the same exact thing to the next frame. And I'm not going to bore you. I'm going to show you the final review. Please let me know which of these 3 is your favorite. After going to Dollar Tree and looking at this frame, you know I had to take it home. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I also have this scrapbook sheet and it has musical notes on it. I'm going to be inserting it inside. Now, the scrapbook sheet was not big enough, so I had to go ahead and cut a different piece and insert that inside as well. And if you follow me, you know how much I love my Michael's grab bag. I believe this little tree came from one of those grab bags. I'm going to be removing all of this greenery because I am going to be redecorating it. Once I remove all the greenery, then all I'm doing is taking the bottom section and painting it with this light mocha. Now you can make it your own. If you don't like this color, just make sure that you use the color that matches your decor. I'm just going to give it one coat, but I am going to be painting the entire wood piece. This little Noel metal piece came from a different project. I'm going to go ahead and take some black chalk paint and give it 2 coats. And then once it's nice and dry, I forgot to cut this little loop here, so I'm going to do that right now. And then once that is done, then I'm getting ready to assemble everything together. I'm going to go ahead and start inserting some of the greenery that I previously removed. And with the same wires that it brings, I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the Christmas tree. And the little 2 pine cones that it also came in with the tree, I'm just readjusting them and placing them right back with some hot glue. And the Noel little word, I am going to be adding plenty of hot glue, as you can tell, and then I'm going to be placing it right on top of that glass. And now it's time to glue the tree. I'm going to be adding a lot of hot glue right here on the wood piece, and then I'm going to be placing it directly on the frame. Just hold it there for a minute, and then once that is done, I also added a wood block with some hot glue, and I placed it right in here just for supporting the top of the tree. And then this is it, my dear friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.